Daily 50 sums you are able to solve, or you are completing before time and you are not having material to solve? Hello? Is it that you don't have material to solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have time, but you don't have material, you are saying, huh?
Yes, sir.
1 to 25, I had given homework. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has done 1 to 25? That means few students are not doing work properly. See, we are meeting Saturday to Saturday. Uh, Daily you are doing electrostatic cut 10 sums. 10 नहीं 20 15 करो आप. So 25 तक I assume you have done. Total I think there are more than 112 sums in that PDF which I have sent you. So now you are going to show me coming lecture. I will ask you to post in the lecture before I start with the class. So you have to complete till today is Saturday, no? So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday again. So till Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. चलो आपको काम पहले लिख लो. एक बार उस शीट में से देखता हूँ. Assuming that 1 to 25 you have done. If those who have not done, they have to complete that 1 to 25. So today's homework will be, one second, just wait. PDF का exactly numbers I am telling you.
Hello.
Ah, yes.
Sir, is it okay if we solve it in like in rough book? Cause it takes a lot of time to solve the complete
No,
sum.
roughly you have to do. No, why you don't have no need of neatness. Do as much fast you can do and get correct results. Huh? Neatness is not required.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
We were interested in more sums you could do, that will be best. See the sheet which I have given you, it contains total classwork problem 110. So 110, 25 you have done. So left out will be 85. 85 divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 26 to 40 will complete today. 41 to 15 more. 55, 56 to 80. 56 to 75. 15 some. Then 76 to 90. And 91 to 105. Then 105 to last. So I want that coming week you are completing everything. See, when you complete the work, even teachers' work increases. I have to send you the solution of all. So daily this 25, 25, 25, 25, 25 ka solution I will be sending. Today after the lecture by 12 o'clock you will get the solution of 40 so that you proceed ahead. So it's my work to give you the solution till 40. चलो केस 2. अभी थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में. केस 2. Field is uniform, then delta V we did by E bar dot delta R bar. If electric field is not uniform, electric field is not uniform, that means it is shown like this. This is field, this is field. Clearly you can see between this there is no uniformity in between. So if I move the charge from 1 to 2 by distance dr, here the field is not uniform. But we know change in potential is E bar dot dr bar minus. That means if I represent that by delta V, this dV, one and the same, delta V is integration of all dV, 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 dV. Moving from one point R1 to another point R2. See, dV is small change. Delta V is total potential difference between one point to another point. So it will become E bar dot dr bar minus from R1 to R2. Okay, just copy this, then I'm writing E ka value, then we'll see what it is actually. So when field is not uniform, then we will go by integration method. Small change between two small points, dr, then from R1 to R2. Completed full?
Yes, sir.
Now if E bar equals to EXI cap plus EYJ cap plus EZK cap, and R bar we are taking as XI cap plus YJ cap plus ZK cap. So dr bar will be like dxi cap, dyj cap plus dzk cap. So dv, which is E bar dot dr bar, will become minus of ex dx, correct? Dot product then ex dx plus ey dy plus ez dz. So that means dv is minus ex dx minus ey dy minus ez dz. Hello? Hello? Please copy till this.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you send those practice sheets again on the group?
I will send. You have not received?
No, sir.
I will send you. Don't.
Thank you, sir.
See, anything you all want now, whether lecture, doubt, please post on the group itself, common group. So whatever possibility is there, we all will be helping you.
Okay, sir.
Well,
Done, sir.
Please wait, sir.
टाइम पे काम होना चाहिए 5-10 Yes, completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhi, when you say dv is minus ex dx minus ey dy minus ez dz. So partially, if I think partially differentiating v with respect to x, partially, yeah? So a dv partially the delta लिखते हैं, will be left out with only minus ex dx क्योंकि बाकी सब quantity is constant when you are differentiating with respect to x. So delta v with respect to delta x is minus of ex. Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So that means that जो dv मिला ना उसका मैं डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x ले लिया तो मुझे डेल्टा v विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x खाली ex मिला इन माइनस. तो इससे आपको ex मिल जाएगा माइनस ऑफ डेल्टा v बाई डेल्टा x. तो बहुत बार वो लोग आपको v देके पूछेंगे फाइंड ex ey ez. तो इसको मैं सिमिलरली बोल दूं ey is partial derivative of v with respect to y and ez is partial derivative of v with respect to z. So that means e bar in terms of vector will be minus of dv by dx I cap minus of dv by dx j cap dv by dy j cap minus of dv by dz k cap. Everybody has followed what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
So therefore magnitude of e bar vector will be root of ex square plus ey square plus ez square. Just copy till this, then I'm doing numerical so that you get idea what we are talking about. देखो एक पोटेंशियल मुझे लगता है शायद आएगा एग्जाम में, एक कैपेसिटर आएगा एग्जाम में, एक फोर्स आएगा, एक फील्ड आएगा. So total there are 4 numericals minimum asked. But paper this time chances are that it will be easy. Please don't make mistake in the easy problem. Completed?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So potential difference. See, whenever we say V equal to, that means actually not potential, it is potential difference is 2x minus y plus z. I want to find E bar at point 1 comma 0 comma 1, and also magnitude of E bar. The V is 2x minus y plus z. We want E at 101. That means Ex I will find. Ex is partial derivative of V with respect to x minus. When you take with respect to x means other than x, all are constant. So what is 2x का derivative? Is it 2?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
y constant हो गया तो 0. Z भी constant हो गया 0. मतलब क्या आ गया? Minus
Minus
2. Ey is partial derivative of v with respect to y. So minus 2x is constant 0. Y का 1, Z का 0. मतलब मिल गया 1. Okay. Hello, Shashwat? Shashwat, Yash, any doubt? Arafat?
No, sir.
Okay. Minus delta v upon delta z minus of 2x constant 0, y constant 0, z is 1. So you get minus 1. This is minus 1. Here also minus 1. So E bar will become minus 2 I cap minus 1, ये minus minus plus 1 plus j cap minus k cap. Its magnitude is root of minus 2 ka square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square. That means it is root of 4 plus 1 plus 1. That means root of 6. Any doubt to get intensity? Hello, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, please solve. If you complete, please tell me so that I can do next sum. Done?
Done, sir.
Next question. B equals to x square y plus y square z. Find E at E means E bar at 1 comma 1. Also find E bar ka magnitude. Again same concept. Partially differentiate with x, with y and z. We get ex, y, ex, ey, z. So first part. Ex, equals to partial derivative of v with respect to x with opposite sign minus. This time see y is constant. What is derivative of x square? Can I say 2x?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And yz both are constant, so
0.
0. But at what point you want? 1, 1, 1. So ex equals to minus of x is 1, y is 1. So it will be 2.
Yes.
Correct? It will be 2 then. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2. Okay, answer 2. And ey is partial derivative of v with respect to y minus common. Now x is constant, so it is x square and y is 1 plus z is constant and y square will be 2 times y. Therefore ey equals to minus of x square, x is 1, so it will be 1 square plus 1 into 2 into 1, that will give ey equals to 2 into 1 2
Minus.
plus, pardon, minus 3 na,
Yes, sir.
minus minus 3. अभी ez आएगा partial derivative with respect to z, that is equals to x square y पूरा constant हो गया, so it will become 0 plus y square constant, z का derivative 1, so ez will be minus of y square which is 1. So e bar becomes minus 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 1 k cap. Its magnitude will be, डायरेक्ट लिख देता हूँ, रूट ऑफ माइनस 2 स्क्वायर डायरेक्ट लिखा चलेगा क्या? नहीं जानता, मैं लिख देता हूँ, नहीं तो आपको कंफ्यूजन. माइनस 2 स्क्वायर ई बार का मैग्नीट्यूड विल बी रूट ऑफ minus 2 square plus minus 3 square plus of minus 1 square. That will become 4 plus 9 plus 1. 9 and 4, 13, 1, 14. Root of 14. I think followed full.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, इससे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं आएगा क्योंकि मैथ्स रिलेटेड है ना. मैथ्स आपके लिए डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि आप बायो स्टूडेंट. Once you complete, tell, so that again I will give you new question.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Aisha, you are there? Aisha? Aisha Ansari, you are there? P is x square y plus y square z plus z square x. Trupti, following? Trupti? Gargi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt in the sums?
No, sir.
How is your health now?
Yes, sir. Better, sir.
Better? Okay. Just take. Solve this sum. Can you try? Please try. Take 1-2 minutes. Let me check whether you are doing correctly. 3 terms are there: x square y plus y square z plus z square y. So Ex will be partial derivative of b with respect to x, which is minus of x square, y is constant, x square derivative 2x, y square z constant, so 0, z square constant, x derivative 1. So putting the value 2, x and y both are 1 1 plus 0, no, y is, sorry, 0, y is 0 into 1 plus 0 and z is 1. So this becomes minus of 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0 1 equals to minus 1. So Ex we are getting minus 1. One I have explained, other two please try. Anamika, Akansha, you all have followed full?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear.
Sir, EY is -1.
Ey, others are also getting Ey minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct.
EZ is -2.
Perfect.
And magnitude is √6.
Root 6, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. Next one. Everybody has done? Got the answer? E is √6 in magnitude.
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी ना एक उल्टा करते हैं. उल्टा मतलब E दिया है और B पूछा है तो कैसा करेंगे? E बार इक्वल टू xi cap minus 2yj cap plus zk cap. Find delta V between point A, which is 0 to 4, and B, which is 2 1 0. So this time we want delta V, which is integral of E bar dot dr bar in -9. that is nothing but minus of xi cap minus 2y j cap plus z k cap. Its dot with dr is dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. So that is nothing but minus of x dx minus 2y dy plus z dz from a to b is the integration. Please copy this much, then I am doing further. I think completed till this.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are getting minus of x dx का integration is x square by 2 and 2y का 2 into y square by 2 plus z square upon 2. इसका तो 2 cancel हो जाएगा. From 0 to 4 lower limit and 2 1 0 upper limit. This equals to minus. Upper limit of x is 2 and lower limit 0. So this will be 2 square minus 0 square upon 2 minus of 1 square minus 2 square upon 1 plus of 0 square minus 4 square upon 2. So that is minus 4 square upon 2 is 2. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 minus minus plus 3. 4 square 16 upon 2 is 8. So minus 8 plus 8. 4 square 16. 16 upon 2. 0 square minus of 4 square. That is 16 minus 16 upon 2 is minus 8. So that will become 2 plus 3, 5. 1 square minus 2 square. 1 square is 1 minus 4 is minus 8. Okay. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 8. How much you are getting? 5 minus 8?
Minus 5.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Yeah. This is minus 3 minus 9. Is that?
Done, sir.
So we did electric potential due to point charge, electric potential due to electric dipole, at any point at pole, at axis, at equator. Then from V how to get E, and from E how to get V. Now next part, if it is not the point charge but sphere, cylinder, then how to get? So first one, electric potential due to charged sphere. Electric potential due to charged sphere. If we say charged sphere, then it is potential due to hollow. hollow में तीन टाइप है, दो टाइप है, एक कंडक्टिंग और नॉन कंडक्टिंग, दोनों hollow चलता है. But in solid, conducting will give you different result, non-conducting different result. Or potential due to hollow, which is conducting or not conducting, or solid conducting sphere, जिसमें charge will come on the surface. Solid conducting sphere. Okay, write these points first. Hollow means conducting, non-conducting plus solid conducting. For all the three, formula will remain same. But if it is non-conducting solid, then formula keeps on changing. Potential due to hollow. Hollow means it can be conducting, non-conducting or solid conducting sphere. That means ये तीनों में charge surface के ऊपर आएगा. Non-conducting तो अंदर रहेगा. Right, then point outside, point on surface, point inside, three conditions will take. Completed. Potential due to heading, hollow, conducting, non-conducting or solid conducting sphere.
Yes, sir.
Okay, लाइन से थोड़ा एक्सप्लेनेशन करता हूँ, आप बराबर फॉर्मूला लिख लेना अच्छे से. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो कैसा लिखेंगे, तो फिर पूरा होने का फिर से जैसा ई का फॉर्मूला दिया था वैसा पोटेंशियल का एक बार दे देता हूँ. Now point is outside, that means distance is greater than radius of the sphere. So this is sphere, whose radius is r, charge is on the surface. We want potential at any point P which is outside. What is electric field intensity at point P outside the hollow, conducting, non-conducting or solid conducting sphere? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, I am writing K into total charge Q upon distance square. ये है ना formula? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
और electric potential difference का formula is E bar dot dr bar with minus sign. So potential at P minus potential at infinity. क्योंकि दूसरा point दिया नहीं है, so we'll consider that point at infinity. So potential at a point is nothing but potential difference between that point and infinity, because infinity का potential is taken as 0, equals to minus from infinity to r E bar is kq upon r square dr. E is outward, r is also outward, तो दोनों का बीच का एंगल 0. So Vp minus 0 equals to minus kq integration of dr upon r square from infinity to r. Please copy this much. Okay, done till this?
Yes, sir.
So Vp minus 0, right hand side I'm writing, left hand side I'm writing Vp equals to minus kq, r square goes up, minus 2 dr from infinity to point at a distance r. So minus kq. What is integration of r raised to minus 2? R raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 from infinity to r. Minus 1 and this minus cancel. So kq 1 upon r from infinity to r, that is kq 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity. What is 1 upon infinity?
0.
0.
0. So this becomes kq by r. So potential at a point near charge sphere is like potential from point charge q. Same formula kq by r आया, बिकॉज दूर से जब इस स्फीयर को देखेंगे ना तो पॉइंट लगता है, तो सेम ही फॉर्मूला आ गया के क्यू बाई आर.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. So potential
Yes,
at a
sir.
point near charge sphere, we are getting k q by r. Now let us see on the surface and inside what will be the answer. Electric field inside, we know it is 0. Shall I clear this? Okay, done.
Yes.
Yes.
Point lies inside, that is distance is less than radius. Now this is sphere of radius r, charge is outside. We are interested in potential at point anywhere inside. Suppose P is inside at a distance small r. What is electric field any point inside? Electric field at any point inside charged sphere is 0. I think this you all know, correct now?
Yes, sir.
So E is 0. Therefore my delta V, if I move the charge from surface to any point P, so delta V when moved from surface, ये S, इसको surface बोल रहा हूँ मैं, to any point P will be minus of E bar dot dr bar का integration. Now from surface, you are moving inside. Hello? Hello? So it will be Vp minus Vs, na? Potential difference between 2 points. Vp minus Vs clear? Vp minus Vs. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Vp minus Vs equals to minus. ये तो zero हो गया. dr bar मतलब ये आंसर आ गया 0. That means V at any point P is same as V at the surface. What is V at the surface? KQ upon R square, capital R square. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is not zero. Intensity is zero, but potential at any point inside is same as that on the surface. Copy. Very important now. Potential at any point inside is not zero. Electric field is zero. On the surface, KQ by R. Q by R. Copy. At surface, V is nothing but KQ upon R. Small r will become capital. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Potential at any point outside the charge sphere is KQ upon small r. On the surface, KQ by capital R. Anywhere inside, KQ by R. So surface and any point inside it is constant. I want graph of V versus distance from the center. So at the center, till the point on the surface, potential is KQ by R, which is constant. Then it falls such that V is inversely proportional to R. Draw this graph. John?
Yes, sir.
Second case, potential due to solid non-conducting sphere. First point lies, suppose, outside, that means R is greater than R. See, for outside, for on the surface, formula will remain same. Only if it is lying inside, then formula will change. So this time there is a charge inside the sphere, and point is outside, where we want what is electric potential. So delta V is minus of E dr cos theta from infinity to point P, that means at distance R. So this is Vp minus V infinity is minus intensity is kq by R square from infinity to R. Intensity at any point inside the outside, the charge sphere is same, kq by R square into dr cos theta will be cos 0. So that's why formula will remain same. Vp is minus kq r raised to minus 2 dr from infinity to r minus kq r raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 from infinity to r. ये cancel हो गया, minus वाला term minus gets cancelled, kq will be left out. So we will get same formula, that is k q 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. So kq by r is potential at any point outside. Please copy, then we'll do surface and inside. Whatever may be the nature of the sphere, whether conducting, not conducting, outside and on the surface, no change in formula. Same thing you are going to find in gravitation chapter also. Did I clear this? Completed full? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now its point lies inside. Its point lies inside, that is distance is less than 2x. This is sphere. If I take this is radius, this is point P inside. Charge is inside the sphere. Do you remember what is intensity at any point P inside by non-conducting sphere? याद है किसी को? Rho r upon 3 epsilon naught. याद है किसको ऐसा? हेलो, ये फॉर्मूला याद है क्या? इंटेंसिटी एट एनी पॉइंट इनसाइड याद है आपको ये फॉर्मूला? नहीं याद है?
Yes, sir.
अभी रो का फॉर्मूला, रो मीन्स चार्ज पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, so it is charge upon volume 4 by 3 pi r cube into r upon epsilon naught into this 3 cancel, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught can we call as k? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught will call k into q into r upon r cube. So this is formula for intensity at any point inside in terms of charge, and this was in terms of volume charge density. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है, एकदम सिंपल है, बट याद नहीं होएगा बिकॉज एक दो सम ही करने वाले हैं. So intensity at any point inside of non-conducting sphere is rho r upon 3 epsilon 0 or kq small r upon capital R cube. Once I know intensity, then by integration I can do my potential wala derivation. So potential at the surface when you are moving to point P is minus of E bar dot dr bar from the surface to the point P ka integration. So it is nothing but V P minus Vs, because whenever you are traveling in the direction of field potential कम हो जाता है, तो surface का potential कम है, P का ज्यादा. This is minus moving from surface to P k q small r upon capital R cube dr, and cos 0 will be 1, so kqr r cube d. That is Vp minus kq upon capital R, which is potential at surface, equals to minus kq upon r cube constant, integration of r dr from surface to point P. Please copy this much. आराम से आप from surface means distance is capital R and at point P distance is small r.
Done, sir.
Okay. So Vp minus k cube by capital R equals to minus k cube upon capital R cube integration of R is nothing but R square by 2 from surface which is R to any point P. So Vp minus kq by R equals to minus kq upon R cube. Upper limit is R square by 2 minus of capital R square by 2. So this is Vp minus kq by R equals to minus kq upon R cube R square by 2 plus kq upon R cube into R square, that is kq by R. So Vp equals to minus kq upon R cube R square by 2, this minus comes here, plus 2 kq upon R. Just copy this much. Minus kq upon R cube R square by 2 plus 3 by 2 kq by capital R. Kq by capital R I am taking common. Second term ka I am writing 3 by 2 here. Minus of R square upon 2 times capital R square. 3 by 2 minus R square upon 2R square. Kq by R 3 by 2 minus R square upon 2 into capital R square. 10 times when you write you will remember. Electric intensity is rho small r upon 3 epsilon 0 or kq small r upon 3 upon r cube. Similarly, this one is very dangerous. Kq by r 3 by 2 minus r square upon 2 into capital R square. Well completed till end.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is meaning of small r?
Distance of the point.
From where?
Center.
Center. Correct. So at center, what is small r?
0.
Very good. At center, small r is 0. Very good. So at center, small r is 0. So V at center will become kq by r 3 by 2, because this quantity will become 0. So it becomes 3 by 2 kq by r is potential at center. What is potential at surface? Only kq by r. Correct, na? Only kq by r. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, even if you calculate, it will be same. This is capital R square. R square cancel. 3 by 2 minus of half will become 1 by 2. Hello? Potential at any
Yes, sir.
point on surface is nothing but kq by r. Okay. So can I say V at center is nothing but 3 by 2 V at the surface? Can we write this?
Yes, sir.
So now if I want the graph of potential versus distance for non-conducting sphere. So at center, potential is different. Center means R is 0. And on the surface, potential is 3 by 2 times. कम हो जाता है थोड़ा ये. 3/2 times potential. So that means it will change like this, not linear. ऐसा change हो जाएगा. कम. Then it is nothing but inversely. Okay, पहले इतना करना, फिर जगह नहीं. इतना लिखो पहले. Potential at any point inside is kq by capital R 3 by 2 minus r square upon 2r square. At the center 3 by 2 kq by r, on the surface kq by r. So I want to plot the graph of this potential with respect to distance. Everybody is copied?
Yes, sir.
See, everybody has copied this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now graph of V against distance. At center V is 3 by 2 times V on the surface. And when R equals to R, V at surface we are getting kq by r, and then outside it is inversely proportional. इसका graph ऐसा, this one. Copy this graph. This is for inside and this one is for outside. This Tuesday I will take extra lecture of you all. Please write down in your book. Tuesday extra lecture 9 o'clock evening. Is it okay for you all?
Yes, sir.
9 to 10 extra lecture on Tuesday. of same chapter. I will put on the group also, as well as you can keep in your book recorded.
Sir,
Yes, yes, yes. Say.
6 to 7, is it possible?
On Tuesday, you are saying?
Yeah.
Possible. Others are free. 6 to 7.
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Not-
sir.
So we can keep. We can keep.
yes, sir.
6 to 7, no problem. Evening. Chalega. I thought you people have any lectures, then it won't clash now. 6 to 7 shall I keep? Chalega. Extra lecture on Tuesday, 6 to 7 you are comfortable. 6 to 7 evening. So actually potential ka everything we did. I want to do something extra on Tuesday, that is concentric shell wala. Book mein itna diya nahi. So that's all for today. Please revise and keep on doing the homework.